always only hear about the success stories, but guess what? It's time to get real about real estate. What's going on, guys? Ryan, Director of Operations at Boselli Brothers Real Estate, and today we're going to be talking some trash about real estate. Today we're diving into the not so rosy side of investing. So buckle up, because we're about to unveil all the challenges behind those lucrative deals. In this video, we're going to cover projects not staying on timeline or budget, property management and tenant headaches, or a lack of deals that stem from high competition markets. This is by no means a comprehensive list. There's probably a lot we won't be able to cover in this video. But please let us know in the comments, what is your single biggest real estate nightmare story? Or what other common headaches did we miss here? Let us know. Before we start, if you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you guys know, and will allow us to keep putting out this great free content for you. All right, let's kick it off with a dose of reality. Real estate investing is not all rainbows and sunshine. As the asset manager at Boselli Brothers Real Estate, I have seen it all. Rehab projects dragging beyond their anticipated timeline. Rental properties sitting vacant for weeks on end. And of course, unexpected maintenance issues. Sound familiar? As bad as that all seems, don't worry too much. Every problem has a solution, and you as the asset manager are responsible for finding those solutions. The first part of solving any problem is finding the underlying cause. Hopefully today we'll touch on the main ones. Of course, the main one you always hear is managing the property. More specifically, the tenants. If you own multiple properties and you're trying to self-manage, especially in multiple markets, you are in for a wild ride. Tenant issues, late night maintenance calls, and the ever elusive pursuit of consistent profitability. It's a continuous challenge. But here's a secret. Professional property management put in place can be your saving grace. They can swoop in and handle the chaos, allowing you to recover more of your time and relieving some of your headaches. Now, of course, it's going to cost you a percentage of your rent, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, you're going to need to pay them anywhere from 6 to 12% depending on your market, but 8 to 10% is usually typical. But just because you don't deal with tenants doesn't mean you won't have problems. Really, the 5 major problems in real estate can be boiled down: time, money, condition, debt, and deal flow. Guess what? Getting any 2 of these to play nice on a given day is almost impossible. Time is almost never on your side. The longer a property sits vacant during rehab, the more holding costs you'll incur. Money, oh, the internal struggle. Whether it's funding your deals or sellers aiming for the stars, this is often the single biggest hurdle that new investors have to overcome. Condition's a funny one, because there's nothing wrong with a fixer-upper, but it is a problem when the current owner thinks that there's gold hidden behind his peeling wallpaper and is trying to sell it for retail price. Or maybe you think you're just going to be replacing some drywall, and when you open up the wall, you find 10 different electrical code violations that now you have to fix as a property owner. One of the single biggest headaches that we've had to deal with is debt, financing properties, or really just banks in general. Getting a loan is not a very easy process, but being informed and knowing the specific loan product you're targeting will make the process go much smoother. Guys, we actually just decided we're going to make an entire video about different loan products you can get from banks to help finance your real estate deals. So check that out. We're going to link it below, or we're going to put it somewhere here. So check that video out. And finally, deal flow, and more specifically, a lack of good deals in a competitive market. You're going to be competing against cash offers for those golden opportunities. And a lot of times, new investors are overpaying for these properties. Do not make this mistake, guys. A good deal will come. You make the real money on the purchase of the property. So don't overspend. And there you have it. Real estate's gritty reality. Like I said, not all rainbows and sunshine, but I do not want to discourage any of you from attempting to invest in real estate. I simply just want to show you the negatives that other people aren't going to show you before they try to sell you their course. This is what being a real estate investor is, and the challenges that you need to overcome. You're not going to hear this from the gurus, but that's why our stuff's free. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Please drop a comment below, like and subscribe to the channel. Head over to BoselliBrothersRE.com and subscribe to our newsletter for all things real estate and investing. And as always, it's 100% free, guys. Please help us reach as many people as possible and share our journey so that you guys don't have to make the same mistakes that we made. That's going to do it. Again, I'm Ryan. See you next time. The money. Light it on fire. Guys, the 5 problems. All right.